Hi everyone, welcome to my blog. Today I will talk about something very close to my heart, animal welfare. When when we talk about animal welfare, we're not just talking about cute pets or wild animal. We're talking about respect, kindness, and responsibility, values that reflect who are humans. So what exactly is animal welfare? Animal welfare is all about protecting animals from harms and making sure they live healthy, happy, and safe lives. It means giving them proper food, shelter, care, and love, and preventing currently abuse and neglect. It's not just about rescuing stray cat or dogs. It's also about how to treat animals from zoo and even the wild. Every culture, every culture deserves compassion. Now you might be wondering, why did you choose advocacy? I chose animal welfare because I see firsthand how many animals suffer in silence. Sometimes they are left hungry and the street or treated badly just because they can't fight back. I realized that animals can be speak to terms live. We say so we have to be their voice and small act of kindness, like feeding a stray, adopting a listen to pie, or reporting animal cruelty, can make a big difference. For me, this advocacy is important because animals teach unconditional love. They don't judge us, they just care. They give comfort, joy, and even healing when we take care of them. We also become better people, more responsible, empathic, and loving. And that's why it's important that other people should know about animal welfare. Awareness can change how society treats animals. When more people understand that animal feels pain, fear, and love just like we do they start to act with more compassion. Together we can create a world them. No animal is abandoned, mistreated, or forgotten. So let be their voice. Let's protect them, care for them, and stand up for them. Because kindness to animal is kindness to life. So let's be their voice. Let's protect them, care for them, and stand up for them. Because kindness to animal is kindness to life itself. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and share and to subscribe and believe every animal deserves and life. And respect spread awareness to make the world a safer place for our furry and not to so furry. Thank you.